everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing guessing the animal quiz. Are you excited?
Yay! Let's guess the animals.
Okay, so before that, there are some rules for today's game. First one, I will be showing you pictures of different animals, and if you know the animal, you will get 1 point, and if you answer the bonus question, you will get bonus points. Let's go. The first animal, can you guess what it is?
This is leopard.
Yay!
Very good. Now, can you guess what is this one? And you will also get a bonus point if you tell me where in the world you can find them.
It's Gopher. We can find them in North America.
Yay!
Very good. You got 2 points. Now can you name this animal?
Lemur.
Yay!
Amazing. Correct answer. Now next question. Can you guess what is this animal? And you will also get a bonus point if you answer where in the world you can find them.
Red panda. Found in various countries in East Asia.
Yay!
Very good. So that is a red panda. Now can you guess what is this? Also tell me where in the world you can find them.
This is raccoon. It is found in North America.
Yay!
Very good. And can you name this animal? And where in the world you can find them?
Capybara. Found in South America.
Yay!
Very good. Can you name this one?
Vicuna.
Yay!
Very good. Can you name this animal now? And where do you find them?
Meerkat or mongoose. Found in Southern Africa.
Yay!
Very good. And next one. What is this animal? And where in the world can you find them?
Hippopotamus. It is found in Africa.
Yay!
Very good. And the last animal. And can you also tell where does it belong to?
Gorilla, Africa.
Yay!
Perfect. Did you guess all 10? Thanks for playing with us, friends. Hope you enjoyed today's animal guessing quiz. You did amazing.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.